Okay, we gotta burn up some energy here. This child is bubbling to put on warm clothes. She took off her nice summer clothes and put on all these warm clothes. Now she's dressed like winter on a beautiful sunny day. Let's decide what's going to be the project for the day, so we can wear the proper clothes or just put them in a bag to put on later. Wait. Get off your bike so I can take a picture. Stop.
So, hi, Mommy.
Get off your bike so she can see what you're wearing. And Daddy can see what you're wearing. Now turn around. Fashion show. Okay, get back on the bike.
Now let's do a video.
Okay, video start.
Oh, so hi, Mommy. I'm gonna ride my bike, and then you're gonna see that I'm glad that I have that pink bike. See the sound that it makes? And this is really hard to push. Not even Nanny could push it. And the bell doesn't work.
So you're so glad you have a new bike.
I'm so glad I have a new bike. Uncle Johnny.
We're gonna have to get a new bike for my house too, huh? One new bike there and one new bike here. Over and out. See you soon.
It's hard to get going when you stop on this bike.
Say over and out. See you soon.
Over and out. See you soon.
Look into the camera. Look at me.
Over and out. See you soon.